lights are glowing bright. Tel Aviv, you're alive tonight. On the coast where dreams collide with the waves where secrets hide. Streets are humming, hearts are free, in the place where we can be. Lost in time, yet so alive. Tel Aviv, you make us thrive. Tel Aviv, where the night never ends. In your arms we're more than friends. City of sun, city of dreams. In your light, everything gleams. Wandering through the bustling streets, every corner new heartbeat. From Jaffa's walls to dizzying off, in your spell we can't get enough. Music playing, life's a song. In your rhythm we belong. Under stars we come alive. Tel Aviv, we thrive and strive. Tel Aviv, where the night never ends. In your arms we're more than friends. City of sun, city of dreams. In your light, everything gleams. Ocean breeze and city sounds, in your magic we are found. Day and night, a love profound. Tel Aviv, where we are bound. Tel Aviv, where the night never ends. In your arms we're more than friends. City of sun, city of dreams. In your light, everything gleams. Ocean breeze and city sounds, in your magic we are found. Day and night, a love profound. Tel Aviv, where we will thrive. City lights are glowing bright. Tel Aviv, your endless night. In your heart we come alive. Forever here we will thrive.